I'm gonna move to number 9 on our docket. Jordan Friend. And is it Faith? Is it Osbin?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you for being here. And Ms. Looney, are you on this case?
We have not yet filed a notice of appearance, Your Honor, due to venue not being decided between Cowlitz and Wahkiakum County. But regardless, our office covers both counties. We will be involved because the child is on TANF benefits. So we just wanted to make the parties aware that the state will be handling the child support portion of the case once it's decided where it should move forward.
Okay. Let me see. Give me just a second here, folks. Where is the child currently living? That was one of the questions I had when I looked at this case.
Wahkiakum County.
In Wahkiakum County?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you all filed an action in Wahkiakum County?
Yes, I have.
Okay. What has happened in Wahkiakum County? I don't have any documents of that.
We had one hearing and it was about visitation, and that's pretty much all it was.
And restraining.
There was a restraining order as well.
Okay. And then, Mr. Friend, you filed this action in Cowlitz County on September 20. When was the action in Wahkiakum County started?
In August.
Okay. So, Mr. Friend, why did you file here 1 month after the Wahkiakum County case started?
Because I had arrived at court and it wasn't like it was more so it was like a restraining order, like court date, and nothing was like it was only temporary parenting plan that was like put in place. So I didn't see like what that had on effect to me wanting to pursue custody of my daughter. Other than the judge just told me like, hey, you're allowed to see your daughter from 2 to whatever, just because I wasn't able to see my daughter whatsoever. And then that's just what happened. That to me, I haven't received anything else. I haven't done anything else. Like, so to wait on Faith to like pursue action in Wahkiakum to see where all of the custody goes is against me. Like, I'm not gonna wait on her to pursue like custody or whatever. So I want to get the ball rolling. I would like to pursue custody of my daughter. So I mean,
So Ms. Osbun, I don't have it in front of me, but the action that you filed in August in Wahkiakum, is that a petition for a parenting plan and child support, or was that a civil protection order action? Or tell me what you filed there.
So I thought it was a petition for parenting plan and custody, but I didn't know when we were supposed to. I thought we were supposed to go back to court for another hearing, but I wasn't sure when because it wasn't brought up.
Let me check one thing if my computer will work with me. It's not showing that as a valid case number. Hold on, let me try one other thing. There we go. Okay, I think the case number was just slightly off for Wahkiakum. So, the Wahkiakum County action, sir, this is mostly for you, sir, just so you know why I'm gonna rule the way that I am, was a petition for parenting plan and child support. So although there was a temporary restraining order put into place, it is a family law action. And it was filed before this action, and it is where the child resides. It looked like there was the last thing that happened was a contempt hearing on October 10th. I'm not seeing any future court dates set, but essentially that would be up to the two of you
Yeah,
to note. So this would not be the proper venue where we already have a court that's addressing visitation in the county where the child resides.
may I speak?
Yeah, absolutely.
So that was like all dealed and settled. I wasn't served with anything else. I wasn't given, any sort of plan for I wasn't aware or never even made aware that she was filing for custody. And they didn't give us any other dates or anything like that. The reason why that occurred was because she wasn't letting me see my daughter, and then also it was a restraining order. It was a temporary restraining order, and so that was like all that was talked about. And for the fact that I could get my daughter for 2 hours, which hasn't been like, I hasn't been happening. So, that's another reason why I'm filing in Longview, and because I also live here.
Yeah, so I am making a finding here today that there is already a pending parenting plan and child support case started in the county where the child resides. And that was filed almost a month before this action was filed. So I am issuing a bench order dismissing this action in Cowlitz County and finding that venue is appropriate under the Wahkiakum County action 233-0062-135.
So how do I be able to see my
333-00
Mhm.
316.
Do you want me to give you that case number in Wahkiakum again?
Is that me?
To any of you. It's 233-0062-135. Okay.
Yes.
So go ahead. Did you have a question, sir?
Yeah. So my daughter is in potential harm's way, like as we speak. So like how do I like not, like how do I like
You bring that up in Wahkiakum County.
yeah.
You
So,
don't,
yeah.
sir.
How do I
I'm
so
not.
much like at her like will, because
All
I
right.
haven't anything like any
I'm gonna mute you, sir. I'm trying to answer your question. Okay, so just listen for a minute. You have a current, open, active parenting plan and child support case in Wahkiakum County. I gave you the case number. I am not your lawyer. I can't give either one of you legal advice. What I am doing today is dismissing without prejudice your Cowlitz County filing because of the venue being proper with Wahkiakum County as that action was instituted first. If you need legal advice on how to fight for your child in Wahkiakum County, I encourage you to reach out to an attorney or legal aid. I cannot give legal advice from the bench. What I am telling you is that this court is not going to be taking action on, sir, your request for a parenting plan because that action has already been initiated in Wahkiakum County. You can laugh all you want, sir, but I'm trying to help you here and tell you, go to Wahkiakum County and make your arguments there. That is the proper venue.
Okay. I haven't received not a single thing from her, and there's no case. Like what I'm trying to say, like explain to you is there's no case. There's nothing else happening in
Yes,
Wahkiakum.
there is.
I'm looking with my own eyes. at the judicial information systems that tell me that there is an open and active case for parenting plans / child support in Wahkiakum County. You can use the case number I gave you and you can file your request there. There absolutely
All right.
is.
Okay, thank you. You can close the case. Thank you.
Well, I don't need your permission to close the case. I'm telling you, I'm dismissing your action. All right, so sir has logged off. Ms. Osborne,
Okay.
you are free to log off with this case.
Okay,
We'll be
thank you.
entering a bench order dismissing his action.
Okay.
Ms. Looney, do you need anything else from me on this case?
No, Your Honor, we'll file a notice of appearance with the Wahkiakum County cause number.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.